Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Smart Tank 615, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network. So if you can't connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network, maybe you have the trouble that when you're trying to connect using this button. And clicking this button, you wanna try to connect using this menu, but unfortunately I don't know why, but using this menu, Wi-Fi setup wizard button is not working properly. I don't know why, but I have this trouble too, if you have too, of course. So if you want to try to do it, you need to open the same menu but using the setup. So open the setup, scroll down and choose here network setup, and here choose wireless setup wizard, and here you need to find your Wi-Fi network, and here maybe you have the problem number 2. Sometimes printer can't detect your Wi-Fi network. So why printer can't detect your Wi-Fi network? So the first reason is because your Wi-Fi network is hidden, so you can't connect to the, so your Wi-Fi network isn't visible for newbie devices, or you have Wi-Fi network that's working on 5 GHz band. So unfortunately, this printer can detect only Wi-Fi networks that are using 2.4 GHz band. So if you have dual band printer, alright, so printer will detect this Wi-Fi, this Wi-Fi from this Wi-Fi router. But if you have not dual band but one band router, so only 5G for example, so unfortunately it will not detect. So I have 2.4 network. So click on your Wi-Fi network if you have found it. Then, as you can see, touch OK to enter the password, or you can use the VPS button, of course. So I suggest you to click the VPS button on your router. Any router in 2023 has this VPS button. Every router has it, but if you don't have access to the Wi-Fi router, so unfortunately you need to enter the password manually, and it's not too easy to do. So I have not too difficult password. I have 1, 2, 1. So when it's black, you can click it again to select the second letter, for example, or second one. But when it don't lighten in black, it means that letter or symbol was inputted, and you need to input the other one. So the next one, okay? So in my case, for example, 1212, I need to enter, and then I want to switch to the letters again. And now if you wanna enter shift letters, so you need to click on shift, but if you wanna enter all letters uppercase, so click on this button twice, all letters will be uppercase. If you need to use a lowercase, so click on this button again. So I need to enter double S, so PQRA. So now I need to click 4 times on these buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. S, wait a while. Yes, S is white, and click on S again 4 times. Cool. Now I need to enter 1, 2, 1, 2 again, and go. Click done. Click OK, and connection successful, as you can see. And great, I have got the IP address, and now I can connect to my Wi-Fi network using embedded web server, using my Windows, Mac OS, iOS or Android device, now my printer is visible for everyone who connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.